Dear students, welcome to the class. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. In last video lesson, we have started Harappan civilization. In that we have seen discovery of Harappan civilization, important sites of Harappan civilization, features of Harappan civilization. In that we have covered town planning. We saw Harappan streets, houses, drainage system, some important buildings of Harappan civilization. Now, in this video lesson, we will cover the next feature, economy. So let's start. Agriculture. Agriculture was the main occupation of the people. River Indus and its tributaries made the land fertile. Major crops that were grown included wheat and barley. Rice and cotton were also cultivated. Animals such as oxen, buffaloes, goats, sheep, pigs were domesticated. Cats and dogs were regarded as pets. Asses and camels were possibly used as beasts of burden. Agriculture was the main occupation. The land was fertile because of river Indus and its tributaries. The major crops they cultivated were wheat and barley. They domesticated animals like goats, oxen, etc. Asses and camels were used to keep burden. Art and craft. The Harappan civilization witnessed the growth of several new art and crafts. A group of people emerged as specialists who polished beads, made seals and sculptures. The Harappans were excellent potters. They used the potter's wheel skillfully to make pottery of various shapes and sizes. The pots were painted geometrical patterns and shapes. The Harappan pottery was red and black. The Harappan people manufactured brilliant terracotta models. These models were used either as toys or objects of worship. Harappans were experts in art and craft. They made seals and sculptures and polished beads. They were excellent potters. They make pottery of various shapes and sizes. Their pottery was red and black. Cloth weaving was also done by them. They made terracotta models. A number of terracotta female figurines have been found which may have the symbol of the mother goddess. Trade and commerce. The Harappan trade links extended to the cities of Mesopotamia, where about 2 dozens of Harappan seals have been found. The discovery of a dockyard at Lothal also bears witness to this fact. The discovery of seals in Mesopotamia and other places proves that Harappans had trade relations with other civilizations. People had trade relations not only with the neighboring parts of modern day India but also with many other countries such as Afghanistan and Persia. Boats, ships and bullock carts were used for trade. Harappans have trade relations with other civilizations. People had trade not only with the neighboring parts but also with many countries. Boats, ships and bullock carts were used for trade. Metal work. Copper and bronze were used for making vessels, ornaments, tools, and weapons. Bronze figurines of human beings and animals were manufactured with great skill. Gold and silver were used for making a variety of beads, pendants, armlets, brooches, needles, and other personal ornaments. Metal were used for making vessels, ornaments, tools, and weapons. Bronze figurines of human beings and animals were manufactured during the Harappan period. Gold and silver used for making a variety of pendants, brooches, beads, and ornaments. Harappan seals. Harappan seals contain realistic human and engravings. They are usually square or oblong shaped and are made of clay, steatite, or terracotta. These seals are of great importance to us. They supply valuable information regarding the Harappan culture and civilization. They throw light on the religious beliefs of the Indus Valley people. We get an idea about their commercial activities. They tell us about their artistic skill, dress, and ornaments. Harappan seals were used in ancient time for trade. They would be made of clay. They gave us information about Harappan culture and civilization. Seals also gave us information about their dress, ornaments, art and craft, and threw light on the religious belief of the Harappan people. Here we conclude today's class. We have studied the feature economy in this video. In next video, we will study next feature society, and also we will study decline of Harappan civilization. Goodbye. Take good care of yourself. Thank you.